Okay, class, I need everybody to put their thinking caps on. Stay in your seat to do it. Okay, today we're going to play a game called Discovery. This is where we're going to learn about context clues and how they help us determine the meaning of an unknown word. Okay, I've got 2 sentences up here. I'm going to read them, but when we get to the word in red, I want you to read it aloud with me, okay? Okay, the ship had 2 levels and could hold up to 50 people as they traveled the ocean. Now, remember, context clues are words in a sentence or paragraph that help you determine or discover the meaning of an unknown word. So first, Tommy, can you tell me what word we're trying to learn the meaning of?
Ship.
Okay. Now, can anybody point out a couple clues that might help us know what the word of ship is? Zachary?
50 people.
50 people, yeah. Tommy, can you see anything?
2 levels.
2 levels. Okay, from these 2 clues, can anybody tell me what they think the word ship means?
A large, humongous boat.
Okay.
A giant boat.
A giant or large.
Or humongous.
Humongous.
Gigantic.
Gigantic. Boat. Okay, can this boat travel or sail, say, a lake?
No.
No?
It has to travel an ocean.
An ocean.
Because it's too big.
So ocean is, maybe that's another clue or context clue?
Maybe. A boat has to sail in big ocean, big sea instead of little sea.
So, from our context clues, the meaning of a ship is?
A large boat that sails in the ocean.
Very good. A large boat
That can hold 50 people.
Well, it can hold up to 50 people or more. It's just letting you know in this sentence that this one holds 50 people.
That sails in the ocean. Sails in the ocean. Let's stay right there.
Okay, let's move on to our next sentence. Remember, we're going to read aloud the word in red. There was enough treasure. I didn't hear everybody. Let's try that again. There was enough treasure that everyone on the ship could be rich. Okay, anybody have any ideas what clues we can circle to help us determine what treasure means? Tommy?
Rich.
Rich. Very good. Anything else, maybe? Zachary?
Everyone?
Everyone possibly could be one. So, from this context clue, what can you tell me the word treasure means?
It's valuable.
Valuable? Okay, very good. Anything else? Does it
Something
somebody likes?
Like a
So
prized
likable.
possession.
A prized possession. Very good. So, does it have to be worth something? No? So, you're telling me that treasure means it's something valuable to someone. All right. Okay. From these 2 sentences and from studying earlier, can y'all tell me what context clues do?
Context clues help you discover the meaning of the word that is in bold letters.
Okay, how about discover an unknown word? Because because not every unknown word is going to be in bold. I helped you out on this one. Unknown. Very good. Okay, now I want everyone to go to their special table, and I'm going to give you a paragraph, and you're going to highlight the bolded words, read it, and then from the context clues of the passage, determine the meaning or discover the meaning of the unknown word. Okay? Everyone go to your table. This passage is called A Sailor's Discovery. There should be 3 words in which I want you to use context clues to determine the meaning. So I'll give you just a few minutes. When you're done, put your pencils down so I know that you're done. Okay, pencils down. Okay, turn your passage over. Now, what's the first word that we're trying to figure out or discover the meaning of?
Ocean.
Okay, Tommy, can you tell me what you came up with?
It's a large part of area that is covered in water.
Very good. A large area covered in water. What context clues did you use to come up with that?
Well, I've seen sail and deep blue, clear, and almost green, and dolphins as well as new sharks.
Very good. Okay, Zachary, can you tell me the next word that we're trying to determine the meaning of?
Pirates.
Pirates. Very good. Okay, and can y'all tell me what context clues you used to figure out the word of pirates?
They have long swords and some have patches over their eyes. They talked funny and threatened.
Okay, that's reading the sentence. So your context clues would
long
be
swords,
long swords,
some patches over one eye.
patches.
Some have patches over one eye.
One.
What about they talked funny? You think sailors talk funny? Yeah?
Probably. Yeah.
So you think that helps you out? So what do sailors do? Are they people? What do they do?
They like want treasure and stuff.
And here, what about this context clue? It says, the sailor, he was a sailor. So a pirate, is like a bad sailor, maybe bad person out at sea. Okay. And the last word.
Island.
Okay. And what'd you come up with for the meaning of island?
A place that had tropical trees and water all around. That had tropical trees and water all around her.
Okay. So can you tell me the meaning of an island?
An island is like
it's like a big
in the ocean and has sand or
so like it's a big body of land surrounded by water, maybe.
Palm trees, coconuts.
Okay, guys. It looks like everybody understands what the meaning of context clues are, and that context clues help us discover or learn the meaning of an unknown word. Stop playing. I just want you guys to know that you all are treasures to me.